In this video, we're diving into the world of Linux file compression tools. We'll explore efficient ways to compress and decompress files, helping you save space and manage your data more effectively. We'll cover 3 popular tools: gzip, bzip2, and gzip. Each tool offers unique advantages, and understanding them can significantly improve your file management skills. First up is gzip, the standard GNU compression tool. It's known for its speed and widespread use. Next, we'll look at bzip2, which offers a higher compression ratio, making it ideal for larger files. Lastly, we'll explore gzip, a modern compression tool that provides the highest compression ratio, perfect for archiving. Let's start with the gzip command. Gzip is the standard GNU compression utility in Linux. It creates files with the .gz extension. It offers a moderate compression ratio, balancing file size reduction with speed. Gzip is known for its fast compression and decompression times. It is widely used in Linux systems for various tasks. By default, gzip replaces the original file with the compressed one. Here are some basic examples. To compress a file, simply type gzip followed by the file name like filename.txt. To decompress a file, use the gzip command with the -d option, followed by the compressed file name, such as filename.txt.gz. Alternatively, you can use the gunzip command followed by the compressed file name to achieve the same result. Now let's explore some common flags you can use with the gzip command. These options give you more control over the compression process. The -k option keeps the original file, preventing it from being deleted after compression. The -v option enables verbose mode, which displays detailed compression information as it happens. The -1 through 9 options set the compression level, where 1 is the fastest but offers the lowest compression, and 9 provides the best compression but takes longer. The -r option allows recursive compression of directories, compressing all files within the specified directory and its subdirectories. The -t option tests the compressed file integrity to ensure that the file is not corrupt. Lastly, the -l option lists compression information about the file, such as its original size, compressed size, and compression ratio. Here are a couple of examples to illustrate these options. To keep the original file and use maximum compression, use the command gzip -k9 largefile.txt. To compress a file with verbose output, use gzip -v document.pdf. Next, let's explore the bzip2 command. Bzip2 is another compression tool in Linux that offers a higher compression ratio compared to gzip. It creates files with the .bz2 extension. Bzip2 uses the Burrows-Wheeler algorithm for compression, which results in smaller file sizes. However, it is generally slower than gzip in terms of compression and decompression speed. Like gzip, bzip2 replaces the original file by default. It is particularly useful for archiving large files where space is a concern. Here are the basic commands to get started. To compress a file, type bzip2 followed by the file name, such as filename.txt. To decompress a file, use bzip2 with the -d option followed by the compressed file name, like filename.txt.bz2. Alternatively, you can use the bunzip2 command followed by the compressed file name for decompression. Here's a comparison of bzip2 with gzip. Bzip2 offers a higher compression ratio, but has a slower compression speed. It also requires higher memory usage compared to gzip. The file extension for bzip2 files is .bz2. Now let's explore some common flags for the bzip2 command. The -k option keeps the original file, preventing it from being deleted after compression. The -v option enables verbose mode, displaying compression details. The -1 through 9 options set the compression level, where 1 is the fastest but offers the lowest compression, and 9 provides the best compression but takes longer. The -t option tests the compressed file integrity. For example, to keep the original file and use maximum compression, use the command bzip2 -k9 largefile.txt. To test the integrity of a compressed file, use bzip2 --t archived bz2. Now let's delve into the gz command. Gz offers the highest compression ratio among the tools we're discussing. It creates files with the .gz extension. Gz uses the LZMA2 algorithm, which provides excellent compression. However, it has the slowest compression speed and also has the highest memory usage. It's considered a modern replacement for gzip and bzip2, especially in scenarios where file size is critical. Gz is widely used in Linux distributions for packaging and archiving. To compress a file, type gz followed by the file name like filename.txt. To decompress, use gz with the -d option followed by the compressed file name, such as filename.txt.xz. Alternatively, you can use the uncs command followed by the compressed file name. Here's a comparison of gz with gzip and bzip2. Gz has the highest compression ratio, but its compression speed is the slowest. It also requires the highest memory usage. The file extension for gz files is .gz. Let's explore some common options for the gz command. The -k option keeps the original file. The -v option enables verbose mode. The -0 through 9 options set the compression level, where 0 is the fastest and 9 is the best. -t0 uses all available CPU cores for faster compression. The -e option enables extreme compression, which is slower but provides better compression ratios. The -l option lists compression information. For example, to use extreme compression with all CPU cores, type gz -ke -t0 large file.txt. For fast compression at level 1, type gz -1 quick compress.txt. Let's compare the compression tools we've discussed. Gzip offers an average compression ratio with fast compression and decompression speeds. It has low memory usage and uses the .gz file extension. It's best for quick backups and logs. bzip2 provides a good compression ratio with medium compression and decompression speeds. It has medium memory usage and uses the .bz2 extension, suitable for medium archives. Gz offers the best compression ratio, but has slow compression speed and good decompression speed. It has high memory usage and uses the .gz extension, and is ideal for long-term archives. Choose the right tool based on your specific needs. Gzip for speed, bzip2 for balanced performance, or gz for maximum compression. Let's look at some practical examples of how to use these compression tools. To compress multiple files, combine them with the tar command. For example, to create a gzip archive, use tar -czvf archive, tar.gz directory /. To use bzip2 instead, use tar -cjvf archive, bz2 directory /. To view compressed files without decompressing them, use the zcat command for gzip files. For example, zcat file.gz. For bzip2 files, use bzcat file.bz2. Remember to choose the right compression tool based on your needs. Gzip for speed, bzip2 for balance, and gz for maximum compression. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.